Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to delete the DirectX Shader Cache on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So these files are created by your graphics, which can speed up different application that really upon for improve performance and load time. We are going to clear DirectX Shader Cache files. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. Just need to go to search menu and type disk cleanup. Click on open it. Select the drive you want to clean up. For example, I'm going to select the C drive. Click on OK. You just need to click on clean up system files. Select the drive. Disk cleanup is calculating how much space you will be able to free on drive C. This may take a few minutes to complete. Wait for it. After finishing this, you just need to make sure in here DirectX Shader Cache is checked mark over here, and make sure all the files are checked over here guys, and click on OK to clear it. Click on delete files. Now we have cleared DirectX Shader Cache guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.